Canva versus Photoshop, which is better for beginners? Are you just starting your design journey and wondering whether Canva or Photoshop is the better tool for you? You're in the right place. Choosing between Canva and Photoshop can feel overwhelming for beginners. Both tools offer powerful features but cater to vastly different needs and skill levels. In this video, we'll take a comprehensive look at both platforms, breaking down their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to decide which tool best fits your goals. Let's dive in. Designing visuals has never been more accessible, thanks to tools like Canva and Photoshop. Whether you're crafting an eye-catching social media post, editing a family photo, or designing a sleek business logo, both platforms seem like promising options. But which one makes the most sense for a beginner? Canva is celebrated for its ease of use and ready-to-go templates, making it possible to create professional-looking visuals in minutes, even with zero design experience. On the other hand, Photoshop is a legendary tool among professionals, offering nearly limitless possibilities for editing and design, but it has a steeper learning curve. Our goal today isn't to crown a universal winner. Instead, we'll help you figure out which tool is better suited to your individual creative needs. Let's start by exploring Canva. Canva has quickly become one of the most popular design platforms, especially among beginners. But what makes it so special? Canva stands out for its simplicity. The interface is intuitive, offering a drag-and-drop environment that allows users to create polished designs without any technical skills. You'll find pre-made templates for just about everything. Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, PowerPoint presentations, business cards, you name it. It's perfect for anyone who wants to get started quickly or doesn't want to spend hours learning complex tools. Using Canva is as easy as picking a template, customizing it with your text and images, and adding finishing touches like colors or icons. Want to change a font? Simply click and choose from Canva's extensive library. It's all designed to save time, making it perfect for small business owners, students, or hobbyists looking to spruce up their projects. Another major advantage, Canva offers a free plan. While there's also a paid pro version that unlocks premium templates and advanced features, the free version is impressive on its own and more than sufficient for most beginners. However, Canva isn't without limitations. While it's incredibly user-friendly, its features are more templated and restrictive, which can feel limiting for people looking to create something truly custom or intricate. Complex photo manipulation, detailed artwork, or full creative control are areas where tools like Photoshop excel. Think of Canva as the quick and convenient option for design, designed to get the job done fast, but not necessarily for advanced projects. On the other side of the spectrum, we have Photoshop, the industry standard for professional designers, photographers, and digital artists. But don't let its reputation scare you. While Photoshop does have a steeper learning curve compared to Canva, it offers unparalleled versatility and creative freedom once you get the hang of it. Photoshop is not limited to templates or drag-and-drop tools. Instead, it gives you full control over every aspect of your design. From advanced photo retouching to creating intricate graphics and illustrations, the possibilities are nearly endless. Tools like layers, brushes, masks, and filters allow for detailed customization and precise edits at levels Canva simply can't match. For beginners, Photoshop may seem daunting at first, but if you're patient and eager to learn, it gives you the ability to grow into a professional-grade designer right from the start. Simple tasks like cropping an image, adjusting brightness, or adding text are easy to pick up as you begin. Photoshop also opens the door to experimenting with creative effects, combining multiple images, and creating bespoke work from scratch. That said, Photoshop requires a subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud, which can be costly if you're on a tight budget. While you can start with a free trial, the standard monthly plan ranks it as an investment for those committed to developing their design skills long-term. To summarize, Photoshop may be overkill for quick projects or those who value simplicity, but it's unmatched when it comes to creative control, advanced features, and long-term scalability. Ideal for serious amateurs, aspiring professionals, or anyone passionate about design, Photoshop shines brightest for users willing to put in the effort to master it. Now that you know what Canva and Photoshop offer individually, let's compare them directly to help you narrow down the best choice for your needs. Asterisk, asterisk, ease of use. Asterisk, asterisk. Canva is the clear winner here, with a beginner-friendly interface that requires almost no learning curve. Photoshop has a steeper learning path but becomes rewarding as you get familiar with its features. Asterisk, asterisk, speed. Asterisk, asterisk. Need a design in minutes? Canva's pre-made templates and drag-and-drop tools make it perfect for quick and polished results. Photoshop, on the other hand, takes more time and effort for even simple projects. Customization. Canva offers limited but easy-to-use customization within preset structures, like changing text, colors, and images. Photoshop allows for complete creative freedom, but with more complexity. Asterisk, asterisk, templates versus creativity. Asterisk, asterisk. Canva is built for users who prefer instant, ready-to-go designs. Photoshop empowers users to start with a blank canvas and let their imagination run wild. Asterisk, asterisk, photo. Editing, asterisk. Asterisk. Photoshop dominates when it comes to advanced editing, retouching, and manipulation. Canva offers basic editing tools, but can't compete at the same level as Photoshop in terms of precision and depth. Asterisk, asterisk, cost, asterisk, asterisk. Canva offers a generous free tier with the option to upgrade to a pro version. Photoshop requires a monthly subscription through Adobe, making it more of an investment. Collaboration. Canva shines with cloud-based collaboration tools, perfect for teams or co-creators. Photoshop, while powerful, is more geared toward individual use for detailed projects. In the end, choosing between Canva and Photoshop comes down to the balance of simplicity versus versatility. Still unsure which tool is best for you? Let's break it down into scenarios. Choose asterisk, asterisk, Canva, asterisk, asterisk if you're a beginner who wants an easy-to-learn tool. You need quick, professional-looking templates for social media, presentations, or one-time projects. You're on a budget and prefer a free tool, or you're comfortable with Canva's affordable Pro plan. Your focus is on speed and convenience rather than intricate design. Choose asterisk, asterisk, Photoshop, asterisk, asterisk if you're ready to invest time in learning and developing skills as a designer or photographer. You need detailed control and the ability to manipulate every aspect of your project. You're interested in professional-grade results and long-term design growth. You're comfortable paying for a subscription and have the hardware to support Photoshop. The best tool is the one that fits your specific needs and aspirations. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try Canva for simpler projects and Photoshop when you're ready to tackle creative challenges. So, Canva or Photoshop? Which is better for beginners? The answer depends on what you hope to achieve. Canva's simplicity makes it perfect for quick and visually appealing designs, while Photoshop offers unparalleled creative depth and customization. If you're still undecided, why not try both? Canva offers free access to its core features, and Adobe provides a free trial of Photoshop, so there's no harm in exploring. By experimenting with each, you'll uncover which tool brings out your inner designer. Remember, the journey into design is just as important as the tool you choose. Whether you prefer the speed and simplicity of Canva or the powerful creativity of Photoshop, you're taking the first step toward bringing your ideas to life. Good luck with your design adventure.